Oh my goodness, look at this strong girl. Holy moly! No way! What? What? Look how high you climbed.
Can you get all the way up there, kiddo? Can you go all the way up?
I don't think
You can
so.
do it. I'll catch you.
No.
Here, hold on. You can do it. Just do the same thing all the way up. And I'll catch you from here. I bet you can hang from up there. Come here, buddy. You can do it.
Okay.
Ready? Go. How fast can you do it?
1,
I can do
Just
Two.
concentrate.
3, 4.
Yourself up, just like you did. You can do it.
My shoes need to be off if I
Okay,
can do it.
do it.
But my socks have to too.